Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. I'm back again with another interesting and hidden tool of PowerPoint, and that is animations. In this tutorial we will learn the motion path animation. So let's get started. Types of motion path animation. So there are three categories of motion path animation: basic, line and curve, and special. In this tutorial we will learn the basic motion path animation. Let us now learn the types of motion path animation. First of all, I will draw a shape. I'll take a rectangle. I'll select the shape, go to animations, add animation, go to more motion paths, and under basics we have 4-point star, 5-point star, 6-point star, 8-point star, circle, crescent, moon, diamond, equal triangle, football, heart, hexagon, octagon, parallelogram, pentagon, right angle triangle, square, teardrop, and trapezoid. Let us now learn one by one each of the motion path animations. So I'll first draw a shape on which I need to do an animation. I will select the shape, go to animations, add animation, more motion path, and I'll select the 4-point star. So if you see, this is a default shape which has been selected. I can change the shape, its size. Let us see some more options. Effect option, this is unlocked and this is locked. So if you see, in the locked, the motion path position is not changing, but if I go to unlock, the motion path position is changing. So this is locked and unlocked. Then we have edit points. So if you click to edit points, you can change the path, you can change shape as per your desired requirement. Also you can reverse the path. So if you see, this is the path, normal path. I will now go and reverse the path. So it has now started happening in a different direction. Also, if I look at it, go to animation path, go to click effect options. So we have locked, unlocked, which we have already discussed. Then smooth and start and smooth end, and bounce effect. So let us first understand smooth start and smooth end. So this is smooth start and smooth end. Let me show you bounce end. So see, there's a bounce effect which came in the end. Start on click with previous. So start on click means once you click, then the animation will start with previous is, it will start automatically start after previous. If suppose you have done more than 2 animations, then it will start once the previous animation is finished, then the second animation will start. Effect options, let us see more options. We have timings, we can select the timing, delay, duration, how long you want the animation to happen, repeat if you want it until the end of slide, so then this will keep on happening. So this is the animation will keep on happening again and again. You can add a sound here, you can add applause, arrow. These are some of the sounds are also already available. We can add another sound. maybe if you have downloaded from somewhere. After animation, if you want to have the color change, if you don't want the dim, you want to hide the animation after the it is done, hide on next mouse click. So once the animation is completed, then you click mouse, then the animation will be finished. Text animation, suppose you have a text there, so if you want to do it as one object, so let me show you a text animation. So you go to insert text box, click it here. I'll just type a name. I will click it here, animations, add animation, more motion path and force point star. So I will delete this animation. See how it will happen. So if you have more than one name, maybe then if you see this, these are the extra options. As one object, if you will do it as one object, it will do like this. If you do it as all at once, happen like this. If you do it by paragraph, so first Vaibhav will move and then Rishabh will move. Let us see some more options. Text animation which you have done in reverse order, it will happen in reverse order. Hide, so hide timeline will hide the timeline over here. Show timeline, it will show the timeline, and remove will remove the animation. Let us now learn the second animation, which is the 5-point star. So again the 5-point star is the same. If you see, you can increase the size, you can edit point, reverse path, locked, unlocked. If I select this, add animation, more motion path, 5-point star, again you can change it. Effect option, you have as one object, all at once, by paragraph. If you go here, again you have the same options. Start on click, start with previous, start after previous, effect options, timing, hide advanced timing, and remove. Let us now learn more animations. Go to add animation, more motion path. We have 6-point star, so is a 6-point star. So I'll delete the previous animations, select it and press delete, select it and press delete. This is a 6-point star. You have effect options, again you can change it, timing, text animation. Now I'll quickly move to other animations. We have 8-point star. So this is the 8-point star. I will delete first the 6-point star. Again you have the same all options here. I will delete this animation, more motion path. You have circle. So if you see circle, again if you want to, it's an oval shape, you can make it a circle basis your requirement. So you can effect options, timing, you can do it for a 5 seconds maybe, and let's see how it goes. So let us reduce the size of the shape which you want to animate. So if we select this animation and do it until the end of slide, So this will keep on happening until we press click. So in the same thing we can do, we can add 2 3 animations as well. Let us now learn where we can run more than one animation on a single slide. So I will just first of all I will just go to animation pane. I will remove this. I will duplicate this shape, Control D. We will apply the animation to the first object. So I'll select this, add animation, more motion path, circle. I will select the shape of the circle. I'll go to the second object, add animation, more motion path. Maybe we can do a 8-point star here. We'll again select the shape, reduce it, again select the shape, add animation, more motion path. Again we'll select a circle here. Maybe you can select any other animation as well. You can increase the size again basis your requirement. We will do with previous, with previous, and with previous. Let us see the preview. So one complete rotation is completed, then this will stop. Let us do it until the end of slide. Effect option, timing, repeat until the end of slide. Effect option, timing, repeat until the end of the slide. Third one, effect options, timings, repeat until the end of the slide. Okay, let us do a preview. So this is a preview. Let us now learn some more motion path animations. Again, I will select a blank slide, select a shape, maybe a circle this time. Once we select the object, again we go to animations, add animation, more motion path. We can select any one of these shapes, right angle, square, maybe a square I can select this time. Maybe in the shape you can add an word, maybe a paragraph, if any message you want to give. So let me add, maybe I can write happy birthday. We will group both of them by selecting both and pressing Ctrl and G simultaneously, and we will add animation, more motion path, and we'll add a square. So you can see, so if you want a slow effect, animation pane timings, reduce it to 5 seconds. So this is the basics of motion animation. I will not take much of your time, so I will just request you to please practice this, and basis your requirement, once you make your practical project or practical presentation, that will be helpful. Thank you so much for your time, and in the next video we will learn about line curves and the spatial curves, and we will also learn how to add in multiple animations. Thank you so much for your time, and please do like, share and comment of my video so that you have a regular update once you subscribe to my channel.